Replacing the windows in your Melville home is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make for comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. However, many homeowners rush into the process without fully understanding what's involved. Window replacement is a long-term investment, and simple oversights can lead to higher costs, poor performance, or even structural problems later on. Below are some of the most common mistakes Melville homeowners make, and how to avoid them. Choosing the cheapest option. It's tempting to base your decision solely on price, but windows are not all created equal. Lower-cost models often sacrifice insulation, durability, and soundproofing. In Suffolk County's seasonal weather, from cold winters to humid summers, poor quality windows can drive up utility bills and require early replacement. It's better to view your project as a long-term investment. Prioritize performance, warranty coverage, and material longevity over the lowest quote. Not considering the local climate. Many homeowners overlook how the Melville climate should influence window selection. For example, windows with high-quality sealing and energy-efficient glass can significantly reduce drafts and heat transfer. Look for features such as low-E coatings, insulated frames, and double or triple pane glass. These upgrades help stabilize indoor temperatures and reduce energy consumption, especially during summer heat waves or icy winter nights. Incorrect measurements. Accurate window sizing is critical. A window that is even slightly off can cause air leaks, water intrusion, or difficulty opening and closing. Some homeowners attempt to measure and order themselves, only to realize later that the fit isn't right. Professional installers rely on precise measurement techniques that account for frame squareness, hidden gaps, and expansion room. Avoid costly returns or adjustments by leaving this step to certified technicians. De-installation. Without experience, do-it-yourself projects can be fun for small repairs, but window installations are rarely beginner-friendly. Poor installation can void manufacturer warranties, reduce energy efficiency, and risk long-term structural damage from moisture. A window may look properly installed on the surface while still leaving hidden gaps behind the frame. Hiring a qualified window contractor ensures correct flashing, sealing, caulking, and leveling for long-term performance. Overlooking permits or WA guidelines. Depending on your home's location or style, you might be required to follow WA rules on window type, color, or exterior appearance. In some situations, permits may also be needed, especially for major remodeling projects. Overlooking these details can delay your installation or result in costly do-overs. Check before you buy to make sure everything is compliant. Ignoring frame materials. Many homeowners focus only on glass type, forgetting that the window frame plays a large role in durability and insulation. Vinyl frames offer excellent energy savings with low maintenance. Fiberglass is strong and long-lasting. Wood provides a classic appearance but needs more upkeep. Your lifestyle, maintenance preferences, and climate priorities should influence the material you choose. Not thinking about ventilation and function. A stylish window that doesn't open easily or doesn't suit the room's purpose can become a long-term inconvenience. Before choosing a style, think about ventilation, furniture placement, and cleaning needs. For example, casement windows offer better airflow in tighter spaces, while double-hung windows are easier to clean from the inside. Forgetting about warranty coverage. Strong warranty protection is a sign of both product quality and installer confidence. Some homeowners focus only on the window itself and forget to ask about workmanship warranties. Make sure both the product and installation are covered. It protects you if anything goes wrong after the job is complete. Final thoughts. A successful window replacement project is about more than just choosing a pretty style. By avoiding these common mistakes, you protect your home, your budget, and your long-term comfort. Taking time to work with a knowledgeable contractor, selecting the right materials for Melville's climate, and focusing on quality over short-term savings ensures that your investment pays off for years to come.